Today we have to discuss about the topic is condyloma acuminatum in benign epithelial tumors. It is also called as Verruca acuminata mineral warts. Before going to the topic, we need some more basic. What is human papilloma virus? The human papilloma virus is nothing but it is transferred from one person to another person through skin damage or breakthrough. If the virus can enter into the breakthrough and enter into the basal cell and it can multiply in the basal. At the same time, these viruses have E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7 transcribed protein. Especially these E6 and E7 transcribed protein play an important role in the proliferation of the basal, which means these virus get transcribed the basal DNA E6, E7. As a result, there is a proliferation of the basal cell. Actually, the basal cell get matured into stratum spinosum and then matured into stratum granulosum and then corneum. These cells are called as keratinocytes. If the maturation, before the maturation, that is the basal cell get matured into the stratum spinosum, before the maturation, the proliferation happened at the basal layer. That means the basal get uncontrolled proliferation in the basal stage due to high risk human papilloma virus. At the same time, if the proliferation happen after the maturation of basal cell, that is the stratum spinosum layer get uncontrolled proliferation due to low risk human papilloma virus. It depends upon the type of virus. We go to the topic condyloma acuminatum. It is due to human papilloma virus induced proliferation of stratified squamous epithelium and mostly seen in anogenital region, mouth, larynx, etc. 90% cases have human papilloma virus type 6 and level. Type 6 and level are due to mostly this kind of condyloma acuminatum. However, it is also co-infection with the other type of virus, mostly human papilloma virus 16 and 18 is a high risk human papilloma virus. It is frequently, once again repeated, 90% of cases it is due to human papilloma virus type 6 and type level. However, it is also co-infection with the other type of virus, mostly type 16 and 18 is a high risk human papilloma virus. The condyloma is an indication of sexual abuse when diagnosed in young children because it represents a sexually transmitted disease, which means if the young children having this kind of condyloma acuminatum, it represents the child as sexually abused because it is a sexually transmitted disease. The incubation period is 1 to 3 months and auto inoculation of additional mucocytes is possible because this virus can get transferred into another mucosal side. So if they get this virus can released from this lesion and transfer into another type because there is another adjacent area having any breakthrough or any traumatic happen, this virus can penetrate and proliferation start happening. In clinical pictures, it is diagnosed in teenager and young adults, but all age peoples are susceptible. The oral lesions are frequently in labial mucosa, lingual frenulum, soft palate, gingiva, especially the dorsum area and alveolar ridge, etc. It is sessile. What is sessile? What is pedunculated? The sessile is nothing but there is having a broad base, but pedunculated having a stalk. It is well demarcated from other type of lesions and it is also a pink in color. And it is also having a blunted surface projection and it is more than 1.5 centimeter. At the same time, it is also extended up to 3 centimeter. It is clustered in appearance and papillomatous. but it is blended in appearance. In histology, there is a benign proliferation of acanthotic stratified squamous epithelium due to human papillomavirus. This papillary surface projection will be seen. There is a connective tissue core help support the papillary projection. At the same time, there is a more blunted, broader than squamous papilloma and verruca vulgaris. There is a keratin filled cleft between the papillary projection, which means the keratin materials get filled between the papillary projection. So that is called as keratin filled crypt. The surface epithelium is matured and differentiated coelocytes within the spinous cell layer. What is coelocytes? The coelocytes are nothing but it is due to this E4 transcribed protein. As a result, there is a dark, short, hollow space cell will be seen. That is called as coelocytes. It is difficult to distinction from squamous papilloma. So, virions within the cytoplasm or nuclei of coelocytes help to identify in PCR, inside the hybridization, immunohistochemical analysis, etc. There is a surgical excision is used to eradicate. Although podophyllin, there is a drug, it is available in solution or cream, also used to eradicate this kind of lesion. Thank you.